Here we have another citrus pruning video. In this case, I'm going to be tip pruning the variegated pink Eureka lemon. After the recent pruning, new growth has shot up, and so we're going to take off this bit here, this here, and this here. So again, we follow back until we find a node that will shoot new growth in the direction we want. So I have these two nice leaves right there. We cut just about 1/8 of an inch. There you go. This branch regrew and started growing back towards the tree inside. So we're just going to take this off right at the old cut. No sense in keeping that. This tall central growth, you can see I've cut multiple times. I'm tempted to cut it all the way back to here, but I think for now I'm going to take it to this just as a placeholder. There we go. And this tall growth, the foliage is so nice, I think I'm just going to leave it for now. And eventually I will bring it down to probably this node here, which will go out this way. Last but not least, we'll just chase this down to the old cut, say goodbye. So there we have the rounded canopy, some good balance, and then I will rotate this tree so the foliage comes in more uniformly. That's all for now.